apartment hunting, guys, and it's so hot in Shanghai.
And ask me why you try calling me up. My heart's about to crash, my mind's in the dark. And when I see you, I say hey yeah, but that's just not enough, 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 enough.
I got my first album from Cortis, and they just arrived today, and it's the year-end special from 2025. We're gonna open it. Let's see what kind of card we have. Oh my god. I'm so happy. And especially today is like the Chinese New Year's Eve, and I can get it from the 2025 year-end special. It's like crazy. This is so thin. This is extra thin. It's like a little poster thing. I think I can put it in my room in Shanghai. Let's see, where's the card. Oh, and oh no. The other one, but it has like a little mark at the end in the back. But it's also like really thin. But it's okay. There's another one. There's a third one. So they have 3 now. But it's so thin. Like I'm so scared of like breaking it. It's like this kind of material. It's not paper. It's also super thin. What's happening? Oh, I'm so scared. I already see a little bit. Wait. Am I doing the right side? Oh, I'm shaking legit. That's like low-key my bias, even though I like Sanyang the most. But I'm just curious, like, where's the year-end one? But I don't know if this is the one. And I got the... Wait. This is the CD. Before I freak out a little bit.
Fashionable.
He's lost, man. He don't know what the fuck to do. I could tell.
I think I found it. It's in here. Oh my god, I almost freaked out. Oh, it's James! So cute! Oh my god. This is cute. It's one of us. So he's part of Chinese. That's the year-end card. So I got 2 cards. Okay, that's fine. I got Kono and James. I love it. I'm really satisfied with like 3 poster thing in here. Because at first I was like, because I saw what they had in the special edition, and they put out like those selfie card from the year-end show. And I was like, this doesn't look like it. But yeah, this looks like one of the music video like selfie. But this is the one. There's some show kind of going on. 我等好漂亮哦！这个灯在这下面好漂亮。哇哇！我买你多少钱包啊？
哎呦，
你喜欢哪
漂亮啊！
你喜欢吃啥的？
这么大呀，我吃不下吧？
你吃不下
吃吧，我这还有这个。
他吃不下去。你没路让我拿去。
啊，吃这个。
好喝。Apartment hunting, guys, and it's so hot in Shanghai. We just viewed the second apartment. The first one was full, they all rented out. I don't know why they asked me to like be there. Obviously, like it's rent out, like why waste my time? But anyways, we were in the second one. But this one is like way too old and it's a little scary to like when you walk in the hallway. We're going to the third apartment. We're going to another one. It's like a little bigger, but it's a little bit more over my budget. My budget is like 4,000 Chinese yuan. We're at the third apartment. We're going to the fourth apartment. It's been like 3 or 4 hours. And we're going to the last apartment. The one we saw, like, it's not that good. Not gonna lie. We're gonna go to the sixth one and see what's up. Right now we have one apartment in mind that we probably like would rent, but also we'll see. Wow. Currently it's 5:30 and we finally found an apartment that we're gonna rent. Tomorrow morning we're going to sign the contract and move in. Yes, and it's around like 4,000 per month, and it's like really close to where I work. 后面有人吗？没人吗？没什么人。So this is where I'm gonna work. So today we're going to another apartment hunting day with another person because yesterday we had some problem with the contract. 我要把这个开启一下。So I just moved in and this is like so crazy because this apartment is probably the best I have seen so far. And we just done like moving in with my clothes and everything and like here.
到时候去就最好可以交到新的朋友，不然的话上班会。
让我来拍一下。
可以放在这样的上面。好。
哇，这灯光好好看啊！
真的很红，感觉红的都有点。
跟你这个比较白了，我这个是你还我还画了卧蚕，我第一次画卧蚕。But we're going home. We're going back to my apartment. We're going back to my apartment. There's a lot of Chinese around me, so no, I'm not gonna speak English out loud. So yeah, anyways, we're going back. I'm gonna have a bottle of wine. 哦，哎，你在换衣服吗？还是没有换？
没有换。
哦，你换完了吗？我换完了 ，OK， 那没事了。把自山给进去。它真的好吓人。是吧？ We're at the izakaya place, so I'm getting a beef and a faguadon, and she's getting a udon noodle, and also order some sides. Yeah, I've been here before. This is my second time. They have like great services, and the food was amazing.
哎呀，手重了，现在配方还是要改一改。
都可以，可以。
然后碳烤烟熏大概20分钟冷餐啊。
嗯，好，谢谢。不错。
它里面有蘑菇哎，一口，这一口的含金量是。
全空了，赵羽凡。Wait， man， 不是安全号没？一样的，安全号没。
哎，这个光好看很多哎。
这个光有光，
白了很多。
安全号 ，Connell，I got you。
好很多。这光真的好很多。哎，很好看啊。哎，可以，别动。啊，哎，可以，非常好看。哎，换个动作。有明信片。
后名卡，还有什么？
怎么这次手不放前面了？
放前面一下，看手相。哇，这个好好看，质感很好哎。然后就是他们唱那个 Mic Drop 的 BTS 那个歌 Mic Drop 的歌也唱。
是后台吗？
对，印刷的小卡不是原版的。这是我最喜欢那个杂志的封面。Yeah。
这个动作。
看看。